5 best types of videos to make to get more likes, shares, engagements, and leads. Hello, Baxter Cribbs here with you. This evening I want to talk about what kind of videos are best to make. This seems to be a question that many people inquire about and want to know the facts when they're trying to do video marketing, for those who want to do video marketing. And how-to videos are probably the most sought after videos that are out there, because this, when you go on to YouTube, you can look at it and you can see, as I said in another video and others have pointed out as well, that YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world. Of course, you can imagine Google is probably the first one, which owns this here as well. But anyway, how-to videos are out there. You can find anything how-to. I mean, seriously, anything you can find out there how to do on YouTube. I mean, you can find how to fall asleep in 2 minutes, according to the Navy. You can find how to have your best year ever from Dr. John Maxwell. You can find how to stay focused by Brendan Burchard, and that's a really good video, by the way. And you can find a whole list over to the side when you type in how to make a tie, make slime, draw, basic, solve Rubik's Cube. I mean, just right on down the list. How to is probably one of the biggest sought after videos on the web. I mean, if you want to repair a sink, if you want to do your hair, if you want to do makeup, it's all there, my friends. Just type in how to whatever it is that you're after, and you can create a video on that as well. And then, of course, there's my favorite is how to make money online. Now, next is we're going to look at is a list video, or a video with list in it, however you'd like to say that. And lists are very popular. I mean, you can do things from 10 best whatevers. It doesn't matter what it is. If you got something that you work with that that here's the 10 best things of this, and you make this list of that, people love that. I mean, you can do the top 8 trends that might be going on in the fashion world or the makeup world or in the cartoon world. Whatever your niche is, you could do these things. My list of camera accessories could be one that you use when you're doing your videos or taking pictures or traveling or anything. You could do the top 10 scary neighbor stories like Jenny does here. And you could do top 10 most amazing top 10 whatever it might be videos or whatever they have. You could do the top 10 colognes that women love on a man, and just right on and on. Different things you can do over here. Again, they have a list of things that you can look at, of top, whatever. It is list videos, my friends, that people make that is very, very sought after as well. People love that because they can take that list, print it out, especially if it's something that they're going to use in a marketing of some sort, then they have a checklist right there and they work by it. Next is reviews. Now, reviews is a little more difficult to make, but you can still do them, because if you've bought a product or you have one and you love it, then you can write a review. You can do a video about that review. You can and put it out there, and people will then use that, who use that or want that product will come to your video and look at it. If you've read a book, you can write a review on that or do a video on that, which is what we're talking about here, because video marketing is the way to go, my friends. It is definitely here to stay and going to be for a while. Video marketing is the fastest way to build the know, like, and trust factor in people out there, because they see you, they hear you, they feel you, just like what we're doing right here today. If you have used software of hardware for a computer, you can write reviews on that. You can do a review of anything that you've got, and the owners of that product and others will love you for it. Next is product versus product. And there's a lot of things that you can do with this as well. You don't even have to own the products. In other words, you can go to the websites and you can get info from there. You can look at others' reviews, and then you can do just like they've done right here, as they make a whole list of different things here: brand versus product, product versus product on mindset. Just a list of stuff that you can go down and create videos on of product versus whatever, and you could do this one right here. This one here I got off of eBay, and you're comparing the same grass killer, but it's compared by 1 gallon, 4 ounces, or whatever it might be, and then 2.5 gallons, and you see the difference in pricing in it. And it might even be the same amount of stuff that you can buy cheaper from one from the other, and people again will appreciate you doing those things for them, so they don't have to go and look it up if they're looking for that particular product. I work in a hardware store. The one about the grass seed right there, or the grass spray, whatever, it would have been a very good one to do for a video for people coming to the store. And so a product versus product, product versus whatever, is certainly one to have. So what kind of videos are the best to make then? The last one is tutorials. Now, tutorials show people what to do. It walks people step by step going through something. And that's what a lot of us like. I'm one of those people. If I'm watching a video about a tutorial about something, then I will pull up the video, do one step, or watch one step, go do the step, come back again and watch it till I go through it. And I may do that several times to learn it. I mean, you can do this very thing here with Composer as they walk you through this thing, teach you, learning about how to do the HTML and you use their program. You can do another one here. Everyday makeup tutorial. I mean, that's probably one I probably need. I'm not going to watch that one, but that's something that somebody will watch and somebody will like, and apparently the girl can do a very good job. And so these are some things that we want to look at. Here, Excel. Now, this is something that a lot of accountants will use, or people who have a business and you want to keep up with your finances, and just all of a sudden at the end of the year, hand this over to your accountant and they can use it because they know how to use it. But you got to learn how to use it, and it's a very powerful tool. And these are things that I'm talking about here. The Photoshop, and you can beginner's tutorial, very powerful thing. But all these things are simply programs or teachings that show you how to do something. So what kind of videos are the best to make, as we just went over them. But then I'm sure there are more of these, but those probably are the most popular to do. And these 5 can help you to get people to love, like, and trust you because they are the most sought after. Now, would you like more awesome tips like these about doing YouTube videos and marketing videos and so forth? If so, then I have a free training for you, absolutely free. For a limited time, if you will go here to this website right here, and you have to put in your email, but then you're going to download a very powerful training about just like some of the stuff I'm talking about here, but a whole lot more. I mean, it is so much information there, my friends. You're going to be blown away by how much is in there in this video, because you're going to learn more of the best practices and tips and tricks to promote your videos, how to do your videos to grow your business by the people getting to know, like, and trust you, and work through that factor that is always out there, and build quick rapport with your audiences so that they will, in fact, buy your products. So, my friends, if you want that video, visit this link right here to get your free training.